Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to delete your Tinder account permanently. So for that you must first have Tinder account and you must be logged in. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Tinder account. So once you tap on your Tinder account, you'll get to this page where you'll have to tap on profile icon at the bottom right. So once you tap on the profile icon, on the top right you'll see settings icon. You'll have to go and tap on the settings icon. So once you tap on the settings icon, you'll have to scroll all the way down where you'll see delete account option. Now you'll have to click on delete account. So once you tap on delete my account, you'll get to this page where it'll ask you why you want to delete your account. You can even skip this step or you can choose the option you want to. So now you'll have to tap on delete my account and it will delete your account permanently from your Tinder. So that is how you delete your account. That is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in. Bye bye.